Hi guys, good morning. Today is yung sinasabi ko kahapon. So ngayon pupunta kami, magla-long drive kami with my friends and the boys. So yung asawa ko, nagchichismis siya kanina. Sayang dapat pala na video ko. Hindi pa siya, ayaw pa niya magpakita. Magdi-decision siya, mapag-decision siya. Ayaw pa niya magpakita. Kissy daw. Lalo, say good morning anak.
Sleepy.
Lalo, may mic pala yan.
He's sleepy.
Oh, he has a earpod. That's why. That's Rosella. Oh, see the beautiful casino tonight.
Let's see.
It's too noisy there. I cannot even vlog.
You can.
They have music. That's the problem. And I don't wanna go because mausok na naman ang sigarilyo. So ito yung there you go. Our long drive. We have 1 hour and 49 minutes left. That's gonna be 2 hours. Because someone will decide what road he will take it. Until we get lost. He cannot say anything. So later, update ko kayo pag malapit na kami sa vacation place ng friend namin. By the way, this is like every year. How many years, madam? It's almost
I think
8 years?
8 or 6 or 8.
Ang layo, madam, nung 8 or 6. Buti pa sana 7 or 8. I'm thinking it's 9 years na, Maruzala.
Really?
Yeah, because 2016 my dad passed away. It's been
16.
ano na.
Yeah.
So like 2016 ako umuwi and then parang madam parang 2014 namin to sinimulan.
Oh.
Yeah, 2014 when we start this. Mga couple times hindi ka pa kasama, di ba? And then
Third time.
the third time yung kasama na siya. Every year na kami. Kami hindi kami na-absent. Na-absent lang kami pag merong pero wala naman, we always go. So maaga kaming umalis. Okay guys, update ko kay mamaya. So guys, update. Ako na nag-driver kaya hindi kami nakapag-update sa room. Nandito na kami sa bahay ng friend namin and si Rosella magluluto siya. So ibibigay ko yung kanyang version ng adobo niya. At saka magluluto siya ng talong. Yes. At magbe-breakfast kami with my friends. May pandesal na binili siya.
Here's the chicken.
And then merong kalambay ube.
Here's the chicken.
And then meron siyang kunchinta. And pichi-pichi. So this is like Filipino-Italian house. Nag-renovate siya ng kitchen. Mamaya tuturo ko kayo. Okay guys? Mamaya ulit update ko kayo. Bye! So my friend, you're gonna meet Giovanni. Giovanni is one of our good hosts.
We're gonna have two of them. Yeah.
Everything had to be from.
Who said she did a research, right? So
Hindi kasi ako
basically,
nag-miss yun eh.
studied or
So guys, hindi kami magkaintindihan lahat kami ay malalakas ng boses.
Ang dami na
Tapos, so, na-miss namin yung isa't isa. Nakalimutan na namin mag-vlog.
Oh, ako rin. Hindi 2 minutes. Kaysa kailangan.
Pakinggan nyo lang.
Understand the
Same
sentence
amount.
based on most.
1:1.
Are you vlogging?
It's okay. Go ahead.
You know that, right?
1:1 ganyan. Yung adobo niya is different.
That's not
She used a less.
Because you miss a lot of the details. No. Speed readers and people who read. Yeah.
Rosella got the kitchen. Kami lang ang tagakain.
Yep.
So when they're interviewing, somehow I don't know how he did this. but
Okay, let's bring you on the...
that
He's cooking different.
Prolific readers
Girls.
works.
That's the chicken.
If we run into a word we don't know, we stop.
Okay.
Figure out.
Okay. Soy sauce,
We'll go
garlic crust,
but we never skip a word
bay leaves,
unless it's a
whole black
or
pepper.
something.
Did you put suka already?
This
if
is
it's-
vinegar,
if it's an
which is
important part of the
dato puti
sentence, you don't skip it.
with the
But
pepper.
somehow she missed
So,
it.
pinaglahok-lahok na niya dyan.
Yes.
Mekos-mekos na siya lahat dyan.
Yes. Yeah. So what we do now?
After bagong kalan, binyagan na ang bagong kalan.
Read a word in a
Bagong
while.
kalan niya, no?
How if you don't have that base, how are you figuring out words?
At bibinyagan ni Rosella.
Well, It's like goes like
Alin daw?
the rest.
Heat wave, like, right? We gotta go look for.
Yes, the staring it so it won't get burned.
Okay, let's update the adobo. Yung sa kanya, mix, everything goes together.
Yep.
Lahat sila friends. So magluluto niya, sabay-sabay. Ang tawag niya, mekus-mekus ni Rosella adobo.
So now, we have to do the
And then the next menu is talong with sili, with coconut milk, and with hipon. That's
with bagoong.
and then they have already bagoong and sili, and that's the gata. And what else did you put?
Onion,
Put onion, fresh garlic, and then the bagoong.
coconut milk.
So alam niyo na pag may bagoong, ihanda na ang rice.
Where is the front?
Here.
My uncle got a mile.
Yeah.
He has other people working for him.
Your house can.
One day,
Okay, mamaya update ko kayo sa resulta ng kanyan to.
Look, this is delicious.
Guess what? We went to my friend's house and we all this Filipino food. Guess what? What we forgot? Oh my God, we have rice! Oh, rice is life. I thought we didn't have rice. And I said, how dare you, Giovanni, inviting us with no rice? I'll show you the rice.
Is that the good luck rice when you move in?
It's okay.
Oh, you cannot touch that. You cannot touch that.
That's actually upstairs.
So
I'll tell you.
we have the rice
You
right
get the
there.
holy water and the rice. And the,
There's the
every
rice.
house has.
We're happy now. We're also shocked no rice.
We don't do that.
You don't do that? We actually had.
Oh, Daddy, we do that. What do you mean?
Do that when they-
Yes, I did that. You know, pag lumipat ka sa bahay, you
So
have
whoever's in there first has to
the
put it
rice,
pour it
the
out.
cotton,
Everyone's
and
supposed
then
to do this.
what else?
Walks in, and he takes
And then
the
you have
water,
mantika,
and he
this
floods
thing.
it.
Akala walang rice, so yung reaction namin, parang end of the world na kasi walang rice.
I felt so badly.
So that's how bad we are. Kasi sabi, she said no rice, so everybody's like, what? No, may rice. Isa rin siya yung reaction niya, iiyak na siya. Kasi walang rice.
Yeah, rice cooker, Giovanni.
uh-oh, there's no rice cooker.
You know how
Oh, it's okay, we're Filipino. Where's the caldero?
you put the water, you put the lid, you put
See? That Italian guy know how to cook rice the proper way.
Wait a second.
Hold on, we got a rice cooker. Come on.
I'm missing my.
Kasi may marites. May marites kaming ginawa. So ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng bagong rice cooker sa bagong kitchen ng bahay ng friend namin.
Giovanni's.
Oh,
Dude, don't break the box and get it second.
oh,
Turn it.
okay. According to may bahay.
Edit this.
No, you don't edit that.
Why are you guys laughing?
So, sabi ng may-ari, oh, listen. Listen. Sabi niya, binili niya ito sa rice saan binili?
He goes like this, Judy. Don't bring them.
Oh, yeah. Kasi, wag ko daw isirain yung kahon. Alam niyo kung bakit. Kasi binili ko sa Costco. Pag binili ko sa Costco at hindi mo alam kung gumagana, di ba? Di ba, sister, di mo alam kung gumagana siya? So, pwede mo siyang isauli sa Costco. Pwede mo siyang, saan ka? Pag bago ang kusina, dapat bago ang rice cooker. My God.
Is that too close to you, Judy?
Which one?
The camera.
Oh, no, they can zoom it. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can see all the kitchen here. Look at to. Sisibat ka nito pag bago. Mahirap i-unbox. Bago pa masira magagat yung may-ari na baksak ko yung kanilang rice cooker. Okay, it's same like yung rice cooker ko sa bahay.
Oh, did you check this out, Judy?
Oh. Yes, the malagkit. Fresh
Okay.
from the farm.
Yes.
Pag walang rice cooker, hindi Pilipinong bahay to. In English, Liz, if you don't have rice cooker in your house, you're not Filipino.
Thank you for the translation.
Oh, see?
I don't have rice
My God, my life is so hard
Hey,
now.
Judy.
I didn't even translate to my husband, but for Liz, I need to do it. Oh my God, look at that. Meron siya. You can steam vegetable.
Hey, Judy. I
Yes.
think I consider to be a good chef.
And
I'm
wow,
cooking
you guys hear that? She has like,
two at a time.
uh-huh. So this one is like 5 cups, Sissy?
I think so.
Where's that bag?
Maximum 5
Oh,
cups.
5, no, 4 cups lang pala.
Bags.
Ayun, they said.
Meron tayo din.
Katulad ng rice cooker namin sa bahay. Okay, Gio, the box is still complete. So you can return it after.
The price
There
tag
we
is
go.
not-
Yes. Here's Rosella, your rice cooker.
Let's see.
Yeah, oh wow.
Open
Get
the
it.
window.
You gotta wash it. No,
I'll watch it. I'll watch it.
Okay. Wow, Rosella.
Looks like garbage outside.
I'll put it in the
Costco is not gonna
It's the
accept
price
this without this.
The
I'm
rice
kidding you
cooker.
guys.
Don't worry,
These are nice. These rice
That's not what I
cookers.
On sale, see.
And what's nice, I can do brown rice.
Yeah, that's the one I have. But
It's
exactly
perfect.
same.
Down
Yeah.
to 70.
A Costco, right? Ocus, you get from
That's
Costco?
on sale, yeah.
Yeah.
So if my rice cooker didn't work, so I'll let you know Costco, I'm gonna return it.
Or if it's missing from here.
If you're missing, or like, I return it, like my air fry. Yes, here, Sissy.
Yeah, we're on number 5 for the air fryer or somewhere.
Ayan lalagay mo yung talong.
So after you cook the coconut,
Ang bango guys, if you guys...
And
you have to
then I think
make
he
the
has
coconut
sausages.
like creamer.
And then
Because
we're gonna have fish for the healthy
the
people.
eggplant will
Who's
Then,
healthy?
it's-
They said healthy
will
people.
sip
Yeah.
all the
and
coconut.
then he's gonna make
Yes.
pasta with eggplants.
There we go.
You know, our
Siguro wala kayong maintindihan sa amin kasi sabay-sabay kami nagsasalita. Pero yun ang masaya, di ba?
There we go.
Wala pa nga to eh. Tahimik pa nga kami ni sa lagay na to. Pag kami nagkwentuhang grabe.
he does the pasta with
So, ayan.
So let's wait until this one is a little bit.
Sa totoo lang, masarap talaga yung favorite namin yan. Nire-request namin yan sa kanya. Okay, let's check the adobo.
The adobo. It will take a
Rosella,
while.
use your other hand. And this is what you're gonna do. Open, close, open, close. That's the see?
You have to make it a little bit.
Ang bango, guys. Ang adobo with talong equals mukbang rice na to.
Actually, you know what to see?
ang bango ng ano niya, adobo niya.
There we go.
You cannot.
Okay.
Okay. The last one is the shrimp.
So, ilalagay na natin ang hipon. Kasi yan ang pinakamasarap dyan. Naku,
Yes.
masarap din siya magluto
Got a good experience.
ng gabi, yung dahon.
Laing.
Lain. In Tagalog, ang tawag niyan ay lapa.
Laing in langka.
And lain and langka, yes. Masarap
Jackfruit.
masarap talaga siya magluto ng mga ginagilatan kasi nga taga Bicol siya.
Kasi cool kami. From Bicol.
O, di narinig niyo yun? May sinasabi siya. Pero sa totoo lang, masarap talaga yan. Ako. At saka, look at her adobo. Ang adobo niya, parang pastel na ang labas. Ang magiging, di ba?
Oh, mamaya wala na yung bone.
O, para magiging pastel siya. Yung ganun ang style ng adobo niya. Masarap yung adobo din niya. Kaming dalawa, iba-ibang style ng adobo namin. Parehas masarap.
At
O,
saka ito binibake ko. Sarap to.
Kaya nga ang luto niya parang pastel na. Tapos ito, ito yung oh my god. The last time I have this one is last year, yung gumawa ka. Oh.
Depending on what. Like I said, I don't like.
Social siya, ang kanyang kalan ay bago.
I don't think they do.
Bago ang kalan, see?
He did it. He brought.
So mamaya i-update ko pag ilalagay niya na yan sa oven at pagluto na to. Okay. Ayan na ang nangyari sa chicken niya, wala nang
There's
bone.
the chicken.
Tapos, ano daw na yan?
Ibibake.
Ibibake niya. Pero sayang yung chicken, alam niyo naman ako, mga kabuto, ang sarap sipsipin ng mga buto.
Sarap yan.
Mamaya,
I've
try
always
ko yan.
eaten like this much.
And then this one, this is done?
Yes.
Can I try?
Yeah. Madali ito guys.
Covered English speaker.
Oh, here, we'll get a new one.
Alam mo, so ito yung kanyang kitchen now. So next year, pagbalik namin,
Here we go.
watch nyo yan. It's gonna be full done.
Ching, 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 ching.
And then ito daw, parang coffee. Lagyan yung parang another oven, lalagay dyan. Tapos lalagyan dito ng, ito parang coffee station.
Sissy, there's even stuff I can't access in the app.
And you want me to have it?
What kind?
First things I'm just scrolling my phone.
Ay, yung nadidispose sa amin na. Oh, down. Ano, minum.
disposable na.
Mixes it up.
He doesn't
just goes
understand
with
it takes.
Gusto mo bang pakikapihin to? Para pang marami pang sabaw. Marami pa siyang sabaw.
Okay na magdadry yan.
And then when I finally
Lagyan mo ng talong.
I did. You have tissue? Baka maano yung ano.
But it's stuff like that. He just goes crazy. That's why.
Iti-taste natin ang...
Because I just put the soy sauce.
Yes.
Like kimchi pie.
So, iti-taste natin. Ano lang to? So, try lang. I-try natin.
After our day at work, I'm supposed to like. And I'm like, oh, it's so good.
You are awesome for
Oh,
being
my
able
sister
Let's
now,
see.
like,
I don't get any
there's
sleep.
so much I can't handle.
Like I said, I love it. I told you a story when I was.
Where's the rice?
2019.
Oh, rice agad. Rice is life. Ang sarap isi. Forget about the diet. No, wala namang diet.
So where are you now, Judy?
Right?
What part of town are you in?
Say it again.
Part of town.
Oh, we're in Twain Heart, right? It's what county? Sonora.
Tuolumne County.
What county?
Tuolumne.
Tuolumne County.
Tulomi. Tulomi, right?
Tuolumne? Wow.
Tuolumne County.
Oh, that's my friend. There's Liz, the pretty Liz. Say
Subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi to
Hi.
Tuolumne County. Welcome to Twain
I don't
Heart.
know about you.
this is our how many years?
Yeah, I'm
Also, I wake up.
Since
No, I can't breathe.
2016.
Yeah, because you just vomited.
By the way, si Maripe, nanonood siya si Maripe.
Yeah.
Nanonood siya ng
So
vlog
you
namin.
vomit. What happens is.
And then, siya yung may-ari ng bahay.
Yeah. And
Say hi to the subscribers.
Yeah, so that's why I gotta
Welcome
make
to
sure I
Twain
do
Heart.
like 6 or 7.
Siya yung may-ari to. 6 years na? More than.
2016. So
even
how many
if-
years?
And we've owned the house 2009.
Oh.
It's been a while.
So, ayun yung katulong namin bago.
So, like, actually,
Hi, Rosella!
I mean, I've actually started losing weight because I have
Basi si Santi yan si Rosella pag hindi inayos ang pagluluto. Oh. Tapos kami dito po, upo-upo lang kami, we're chikahan, and then siya nagsasolo siya. Kasi retire na nga ya, wala siyang trabaho, kundi tumanggap ng kanyang pensyon. So kami, naghihintay lang ng kanyang luto. Ayaw niya magpakita, mahiyain siya. Oh, okay, that's my sisi. Ito try na yung adobo ni Rosella.
She's gonna be doing her own vlog.
Try this.
Good. Very juicy. Very flavorful. Perfect balance of the vinegar and soy.
Diba?
Nice.
Oh, pag gusto niyo kuhanin si Sisi ng taga-review sa mga restaurant, tawagan niyo lang siya.
I rate it 10 out of 10.
Oh, sa saan ka
Maybe
pa?
even 12 out of 10.
Kasi, we're gonna to go also. Where's our to go box?
Nasaan yung mga to-go box?
Ready to go.
So, how many years we've been having this adobo every time we came here?
Oh wow.
2016.
No, 2006 is not part of it. Remember? The first, hindi siya kasama. Remember?
Which one was that?
The first, 2016. Parang 2018 na siya sumama sa
Oh
atin.
yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, 2018.
Up
She's
to
been
now.
making this
My
for us.
God. That's every year with the talong, with the biko.
Yeah.
So we came here with empty bag. Guess what? And then we came home for good, at least one week meal. Especially Liz. She has a lot of to go and she talaga nagdadala siya ng container. With this year is a purple, I guess. Purple container. Last year is all black. Every year is different color. Oh, nahiya lang yung pin. Ah! Malaki ng talent pin yan. My God, mahal pa naman ang talent pin ni Sisi. Kakain na kami ng large. Buwan baka sa boss ni Maripe.
Yeah. And then she told me.
Then, adobo. And under rice. Where's the under rice? Where's your rice?
I'm gonna laugh.
How many?
He has a big breakfast.
Yeah, he had yeah,
6.
What did you get there? I haven't had Jack in the Box though.
Okay, guys. We're gonna do marites, so we cannot bring you on the table. So, we'll update you when we're full.
cheese. And
Yes.
I got recently turned off by Carl Jr.
Okay.
Because I was a car.
Kasi they don't care. Not like only Filipino who said, "Oh my God, Ineng, your muscle, your abarazo is big. Oh my God, what's wrong to your lipstick? What's wrong to you?" It's only Filipino. My God.
Always have something to say.
Yeah. And then they greet you. Okay, sino nakaka-relate dito? Sabihin niyo kung mali ako. When you go to Philippines, they said like this. Oh, ang taba-taba mo naman. You're so big. That's why all my cousin, I tell them, if you see my son, because
I have a friend.
oh, see, chika ni
Every
madam.
time she sees me, she said, "You're gay."
Why, right, Rosella?
I couldn't take it anymore.
Yeah. But, no, it's not that. It's
that was
rude.
last month,
Oh my God.
July 26.
Oh, ngayon. Ano yun?
That's why Rosella wants Ozempic.
Oh, may pumunta doon. Yeah.
I know why people are like that. They're also,
what I did,
they don't care the
because
feelings.
I've been listening to her. How many times that day? She keeps on telling me that I gained weight, blah, blah, blah. I couldn't take it anymore. I said, listen, I noticed every time you see me, you didn't have any good thing to say about me. I said, stop that because that's wrong. You don't tell someone that she's gaining weight, okay? That's rude. Oh no, because I said, shut up.
That's Rosella. That's my Rosella.
Right? Am I right?
No, it's not that too. My
Why
point
would you
is,
say
you
that?
don't need
Why
to
would you
say
bring that
it.
up?
I don't know. And then,
Lalo na pag hindi mo kilalang isang tao
Yeah, as if
personally.
they're, you know.
she's like this.
Bakit nga kaugalian na natin mga Pilipino yun?
But no,
Yes,
if
which
you
is true.
if you're bigger
Sabihin mo
than
mataba.
me, don't even say that I'm gaining weight. Okay, because my body is okay. I had all the chemo.
Yeah.
Oh yes, Rosella is a cancer survivor. For how many years, madam na?
20?
Wow, 20 years.
Not bad.
And look at her.
Not bad for the old lady.
Who said that she's, how old are you now?
I'll be 70 on November.
And still dancing top of the
Oh,
table.
and it's still having all my men. many men.
No, she's joking. That's what she talks, but we love her. And look what she has. Show it your pandesal with.
With chicken adobo.
Oh.
The one I just cooked.
The one she cooks, she make baon. Kasi ayaw niyang, ay matipid kasi yan. That is so expensive there kayo talaga. Pakainin mo na lang adobo yung dalawang bata. Ay, hindi naman kumakain. So yeah, we have chika-chika, chill-chill lang kami dito. This is what you call weekend getaway. Malayo sa trabaho. And look at how beautiful. So itong place na to is only for Italian community most, right? But we're very Italian guys, so we're no char-char lang yun. Yeah, but Marife's husband is Italian. Giovanni is Italian, so they have a place here, so we can pwede kami dito. Basta meron kang isang taga rito. So ganito lang sila, oh. Chill ka lang. Ang tawag diyan lawa. Diba? Sarap ng buhay. Pag sa Pilipinas, Rosella, masarap buhay. Bukas walang pansaing.
Meron. Marami ako eh.
O kasi, di ba yung iba, mag-outing, tapos hindi na magtrabaho, anong problema? Bukas wala nang ano. Sarap buhay, basta masipag ka lang. Chill lang, oh. Sarap ng hangin.
Oh,
You're cold. She's in bikini and you're cold. We're getting old. Okay guys, wala pa yung I know they're buying ice cream. I heard the ice cream is good.
they should bring ice cream to us.
What?
They had the fries and burgers.
We had.
What?
That I wanted ice cream. You said don't get it.
We had burger and fries.
You
We're gonna
said
go get
something
ice cream
about- I guess
later.
you said something at the gate.
Yeah.
God, how about the steak and the pasta?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, sure.
The steak's fine.
No problem.
Yeah, she's.
Wait, what do you have?
Hi, A1C.
What's that mean?
Oh, the
Sugar
blood
level?
sugar.
Oh, sugar level.
Okay.
Are they pushing for you to do the Ozempic?
No. That Ozempic won't do that. Yeah. I got to get on that metformin or whatever it's called.
Yep. Been like that for.
You doing insulin or no? Are you taking metformin or whatever?
I'm not taking anything. I'm not actually diabetic. So but I know because.
But are you pre-diabetic?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you know your numbers or
It was like 5 the last time.
5? Okay, mine hit 7. So
7.1.
It wasn't.
yeah.
It wasn't
How do you
high
know?
enough.
She told you. Yeah, 7.1. Yeah.
Yeah, the doctor didn't even.
He wants you to take my ampalaya juice.
The what juice?
My bitter melon juice.
Really? Is it supposed to help?
It helps mine.
Oh my God, Judy.
Oh, so I was
Sister, what
talking
did you do
to
with yours again?
talk
Judy
to
was
my
amazing.
my inflammation of the joint. I got talking to some Indians at work.
Yeah,
Turmeric or
turmeric.
It's supposed to be anti-inflammatory.
Yeah, you want to? That's what I'm doing.
Oh, you're
I'm
doing that?
taking
Does
some
it help?
stuff. It's been helping me.
So you don't have to take these painkillers or whatever. You just take
Right,
this.
it's like a natural Advil.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. No, you could do it yourself.
Any adverse
too.
effect or?
No.
And it's a powder form, right?
I take it in a capsule so that
Oh, you
I
take
can
capsule,
remember.
and it helps.
I'll send it to
Does Costco have them? I thought I saw it. Or
This one that I researched is better because it actually has. So if you don't get one that has black pepper with it, then it. Oh my gosh. That's not. That's gonna be like.
I was Kennedy
Quick
Meadows.
editing.
there's a lot of editing on that one.
Didn't you go to Kennedy Meadows?
Okay, so now we can take clips. That's like that one. Okay. That one.
Di ba beautiful? Mga picture.
Ay, may sagot na naman siya.
Nag-ice cream
Sabi
kami.
ko sa kanya, ito,
Ice cream.
sabi ko sa kanya, we wish you're here with us. The
I
girls
know.
are having fun with everyone. Tapos sabi niya, me too. Imbitahin mo naman next time. Me
Eh, we
too.
got invited before. He didn't even show up.
Dito?
Sa bahay mo, di ba?
Sa bahay, hindi dito. Gusto niya mga ganito.
Ay, siya sa tutulog. Sa ilalim ng papa.
Sa living room. Kaming dalawa sa, tig-isa kaming couch.
Okay lang siya, kakahiya naman.
Hindi, ay. Sa akin na, pinahiga ko pala sa ano to. Sa maliit na kwarto.
Wala pang ano, he doesn't have girlfriend.
Meron? Hindi ito mga tagal.
Bakit? Casey, watch this vlog. You are the topic. It's okay. Casey love it. Alright, Casey? Casey, tinatanong nila kung, sorry, I'm speaking Tagalog, Casey. They're asking Casey if you are dating. dating a new one.
No, it's not.
Because your nanay Rosella,
She's crazy. She's, she's, she's blapping. And
this is the first vlog that we mentioned the name, and it's how lucky you are, Casey.
wala ka dyan.
Oo nga, we don't. Ano talaga?
Maniwala ako dyan
Oh,
sa'yo.
you know, he watched my vlog.
I know, but that's off.
It's on. You see that you see? That's on when they have red. Yes, Casey, mag-asawa ka na para makatikam ng mainit na sabaw. You need to ask to your Filipino friend what I'm saying about you.
Ilang taon niya?
41, 42.
You know, yeah, we're like,
42.
you know, I'm older than him, and he's like, oh, sorry, I should respect you, Judy.
He's 46. 43 ka?
1 year.
So young.
You know, very young.
Parang ano ko yun kasi ang nanay niya kaedad. Yes.
Rosella is never been touched, never been kissed.
Ay. That's what you think.
Excuse me? Rosella naka-vlog. Tapos ayaw niya ano, sabi niya, I don't wanna be on my... Pero tara mo mga sinasabi niya. Ang ganda-ganda nga ng praise ko sa kanya na she's dalagang that she's dalagang Pilipina. Then Maripe is quiet but earlier she keep on saying something. She's still so curious. He's so curious if this is all my followers know that I don't yeah, it is a vlog. I don't edit. Maripe knows that, right, Maripe? I don't edit. So whatever's in there, sorry guys.
Oh, it is what it is.
Yes, that's what she said.
Oh, well.
Oh.
I won't regret what I said.
Rosella
Why
is
should I?
yeah. Okay. Did you know?
We're in the real world.
You know this lady. She is 70 on November.
Oh, shit.
But
Sorry, my word. You didn't say my age.
but look at her, right? Sisi, Sisi, are you gonna be? That's what I'm saying. She is.
No, what do you mean?
She is. Yeah. But I'm saying is, Sisi, she said, Judy, you always say that my age, my number. You know what? Very energetic.
54.
And then like I'm telling you, like energetic, like and look at the skin. She I was she's even shocked. My other friend is so shocked. She
You know
forgot.
that, baby.
You just retired, so you're 65.
No, she
I
did that when
retired the best number, 69.
Oy, char lang yan. Pero totoo. Totoo. Nag-retire si Miss Rosella when last year lang, 69 siya. Kasi 69 niya. The best number daw. Pero nag-retire siya in a good shape. Minsan nagagalit to, Judy, wag mo sinasabi yung age ko. Pero I'm proud of her. Just, my God. Hindi mo makita sumayaw yan. Pag sumayaw yan, Diyos ko po, iba yan. But, and she's in good shape.
Thank you.
She is. Like what I said, if I'm gonna be like her, like, my God, I'm proud to say and show to everybody my age. Single and ready to mingle.
It's overdue.
I am so surprised right now.
Pagkasama namin to, yung ibang kasama, wala kaming ginawa kundi tumawa ng tumawa. Kasi ito, may pagkabiliya ako. Diba? Sino makakapaniwala? Kahit ako pag ganyan ang age ko, I will have a name tag. I'm
70.
right. Kasi she's in good shape. My God. What's gonna happen to us when we are 70?
I don't know. I'm already falling apart now, so.
Because look at her like that. You know what? She like she do also bike at home.
Stationary bike.
Stationary bike. And like, and she's a cancer survivor.
I'm going to.
How many years? 20 years?
20 years.
See? Talagang ano,
I know.
20 years. But you on that point, like you thought that's it, huh?
And
That's
you used
it.
to organize
It's
Yeah.
the end of my
Oh,
course.
kasi akala niya yun na yun. So, ikaw ay 30.
To give her the new picture.
20 years, 70. So, you are 50 that time?
And then
Kita mo,
Richmond.
Someone
Diba?
did the dressing.
It's like akala mo, kaya nga ito yung kasabihan na pag hindi mo pala talaga time, no matter what.
Yeah.
At saka wag susuko.
Because I still have mission on this earth.
Dapat nakilala ko pa siya. Nakarating siya ng US, anong year nga, madam? So, pero mo, 2 years old pa lang ako, tapos ngayon magkasama na kami. Alam mo, pag umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, pag nandun siya, pumupunta ako sa Bicol. I went to her place. So, next, ang mission namin, siya naman ang pupunta sa amin sa Laguna. We known each other for work. And then, naging friend. Tapos, pumupunta kami dito. Oo. Pero matatakot kayo pag ito ang ka-worker nyo. Very strict pa.
Sister, you look special.
That's why I miss her. Napaka.
Oh my God, that was your
The whole 30
specialty.
years, huh?
I know,
What's your specialty,
but
Rosella?
until you left.
Yeah, I was
How to restrain patients.
I was training all the
May
nurses.
training, may mga training sa ganun.
Can you
pag may
imagine,
mga
30
confused na
years, I
pasyente.
trained the
Bumalik doon.
nurses.
Si
Nobody.
Matthew. Matthew.
Oh, Matthew. But Matthew is the... Huh? No, she doesn't want it. Because it's so hard to train everyone. And then you have the competency, right? You have to ask them the question, the test.
Ay, Rosella, work
100 plus.
how many years you work at in F-Ground?
31 and a half years.
Oh my God. Would you imagine? 1 unit. Ganun
Yeah,
kaganda.
never moved.
Ganun kaganda yung samahan sa F-Ground.
Mhm.
Yung mga kasamahan niya, nag-retire na yung iba siya, nandun pa rin siya. Hanggang sa parang kami na naiinip, kailan ka ba mag-retire? Tapos nung nag-retire na siya, oh my God, it's a big surprise.
Oh, yeah.
Did you
see?
like your retirement party?
Oh,
Wala siyang
very
kaalam-alam.
much, Very much.
Kami ang kami nag-organize. Wala siyang kaalam-alam.
Sa hotel.
Sa hotel namin ginanap. Wala siyang kaalam-alam. Tapos, nagtataka siya bakit daw ko siya pinaggagawin. Surprise, as in surprise talaga. Tapos yung mga friend niya noon.
A gown. Oh my God, she made you wear a gown.
I know. You
Because
were there,
I said
right?
I said it's evening gown ang peg. Yun ang team natin, mga naka. Tapos sabi niya, why Divina is not wearing?
I said, what the? And then when I called Divina, I said, Divine, what are you wearing? Oh, of course, gown. I said, what color?
Yeah, Divina also I told her.
What color? Red. I said, okay. So when I went there, I arrived.
She's the only one who's gown.
Divine, what the hell? Why? You told me you're wearing gown. Well, I'm the only one wearing gown. What's the problem now? And she was laughing like
And-
crazy, but she didn't tell
Oh,
me.
the thing is, she stay outside. I said, don't call her yet kasi hindi pa kami ready. So, I said, don't call her yet. My God, when she came, everybody is there. Even the previous manager, assistant manager namin, and the boss, nandun. It was a good party.
Very
And
good.
then, nagwala siya. Nagparty-party siya. Nagsayaw-sayaw siya sa table.
Mhm.
And then,
That's
and then,
typical of
what do you call
Rosella.
that, the guy? The bouncer.
The security, the bouncer.
Ma'am, no dance on the table. Come here, come down. Akala namin patitigil yung party kasi nagsasayaw siya sa table. And that was last year only. Oh, di ba?
That's the thing you have to enjoy.
Still,
Mhm.
enjoy life.
Enjoy life.
Kita mo siya, oh.
Because life is too short. You cannot go back.
At least
Right.
you don't have regrets.
Mhm.
Only that story, I
No
wanna,
regret.
pag kay Rosella, yung nagka-cancer siya, tapos nakasurvive. Pag yan ang iniisip ko, why Rosella survive? And tayo, financial lang problema natin, magsuko na.
Yeah.
That's why you have to do.
That's why, guys, you have to be
Be
patient.
appreciative of what you have.
You have to be
Yes.
patient because God will provide you.
Amen, Rosella.
Amen. Amen.
Okay, guys, that's nagda-drama na kami. Kasi
We're having drama.
pag wala kaming pag-chismis, bawal kasi mag-chismis ba dito ng mga ibang katao, dito baka kami mabash. So, siya na lang yung naging subject namin sa kwentuhan to kasi wala kaming maibang subject. So, guys, mamaya, meron kami
Dinner time.
So, intayin niyo yung kay Mr. Giovanni ang kanyang steak and pasta.
Pasta with baby crabs.
Oh,
With
excuse
baby
me.
crab.
That's are like every year may pasta, may fish, tapos meron pa. Ay, full ano talaga,
Yeah,
full
and then I'll
course.
continue my cooking.
Magagawa
It's
siya
the
ng biko.
biko.
O, diba?
The bicol.
This time hindi, kasi we decide next year is my turn to cook. Siya naman ang right. So, we
Okay.
should do that.
Iba
And
ang
then the next year
background
is Aileen. Oh my gosh, you're gonna be stressful, I can tell. After this year is your turn, sister. And then, what she's gonna do? Liz. So Liz, these are the
No,
place.
Liz, she's going to order.
Well, maybe
Oh,
she's gonna have a
food.
portfolio for our pictures. by
yes,
then.
Yes, Liz is we don't make it asa, hindi namin siya inaasahan about the kitchen. Kasi ang ginagawa niya, binibigyan lang kami ng panturok-turok dyan for free. So, yun, iyaan nga namin yun. Okay guys, mamaya update namin kayo. Okay, bye!
Bye-bye. Okay na.
Wait, last year you guys went here though.
Yeah, we were here.
Not here, the other side.
Oh, a different ice cream.
Wait, did you go with us?
Yes guys, so dito na kami, pauwi na kami. Yan ang
But I thought we went to that lake.
back na kami sa bahay nila.
Went to this lake.
So, thank you guys for watching. See you for my next vlog, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to don't skip my ads. Paano yan? No skip ads. Gayon na rin yun. Okay, bye!